Okay, so we are back with part 2 of repotting our peace lily here. And she doesn't look so great. And again, I'm just loosening the soil around the root ball. And we're going to trade out this current soil that is really, it's moist. And I think that's a part of the problem. I think it was just too moist and had no more nutrition in it. So we're going to be using our Miracle-Gro tropical potting mix today. And I like it because it has lava rocks. As you can see, these little red rocks mixed in here. And it's going to help with aeration and drainage. And it's for tropical plants. And I don't know, comment in the section below if you think that a peace lily is a tropical plant or just a house plant. I see them a lot at funerals. And no, there's not a lot of other things I see in this soil as I'm looking at it here, other than these lava rocks. And it's specially formulated to include that, so I'm okay with that. The original pot this peace lily came in, I guess this is a 5-gallon pot. We checked for gnats, bugs, didn't see any in the soil here. And I just think it was a drainage problem. So we're going with this other soil here today. And we're also going to go for a smaller container. I don't see why that small root ball wouldn't do well in something half the size of what it was in. I've had this plant for a long time, and we're going to put it in this pot today. I do have some dead leaves I'm going to keep in the bottom, because it's going to break down, and it's also going to keep the nutrients from just coming out of the pot every time that we water this. So we have a plant stand that doubles as the holder for drainage, and absolutely we're going to wash this and come back and put our baby in her new home. I see some green here, so there are pieces of this that are still alive, even though it just keeps dying. So I think it was just in too much water. Comment below if you think you're thinking what I'm thinking. We're just going to put that soil in there. New pot. And we're going to make some space for our girl. And just sit her very gently right on in here. And we do want the entire root ball below the soil. We do not want the plant to not be fully surrounded or up higher than the top of the container. We want the root ball right at the same height. So that was easily adjustable. And as you can see, she's got a lot going on. So I don't know if even I should split this root ball, because I've had this plant for about 5 years and it's been in this same container, this 5-gallon container here, the entire time. So hopefully when we do a follow-up video in the future, Miss Lily will be back, and she'll be looking good in her new tropical potting mix that we chose today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe as we continue to repot and grow flowers indoors and out, plants, as well as vegetables. And don't forget to water. After you finish repotting, you want to press down and water. You want to water your plants. I water my plants once a week when they're in the house, and that's our rule of thumb here. So this is just a dead leaf, and again, I want that root ball as level as I can get it with the top of the pot. And I think we have it there. Yeah. That way the roots aren't drying out. And she's going to enjoy, I think, some fresh soil. I water my plants with Miracle Grow. I use singles for like a gallon of water. You add 1 single, and yeah, just looking at what was happening here, because she's still alive. So watch our follow-up video on this in a few weeks to see if she came back, or if she's still floundering. Thanks.